Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at National Los Angeles, and let's take a quick look at the executive aisle here. And we got a Honda Accord, we got a couple pickup trucks. And it looks like over at Enterprise, maybe a new 7 Series. We got a Tacoma here. And actually a fair number of trucks tonight. They must be getting low on cars. We got a Dodge Ram e-Torque, got a Hyundai, Nissan, I got a Jetta, and a Nissan minivan, and a couple more Dodge Ram Hemi e-Torque. I wonder if these are new. They got a bunch of these here. Kind of noticed that if I can get through these mirrors here. Oh yeah, that's another one over there. And what do we got for mileage here? 800. Yeah, so these are pretty new. Fairly nice inside. Not sure the trim level. You guys probably know better. Well, this one's an SLT. That one's a Laramie. Those two are, I think that's probably a higher trim. Okay, let's continue on here. Got a Malibu. Mitsubishi over there. Somebody's taking that Ford Edge, and we got another SUV coming in here. And got a Camry. While he's backing in, let's head over to the Emerald aisle here. So these will be typically the smaller cars, and it's a busy weekend here, so not as many cars as usual. Probably be a bunch coming back tomorrow. And a couple Malibus. They got a bunch of those in the fleet while I try and walk around these puddles here. Malibu Camry over there. And a small Mazda SUV, a couple trucks down there, minivans, and you know, guys, I think this is going to be a short one. I think this is going to wrap it up here. Challenger there. And yeah, CX-30. Did we finish? I don't know if we finished the rest of that aisle there. Let's just do a quick wander over here. Another Jetta coming in. That Edge is leaving. And did I finish off down here? Oh, here's a 4Runner coming in. Oh, TRD Sport. Yeah. There you go. From Florida. And yeah, I don't think we finished off down here. Okay. So we got the Camry and another Nissan, and that's going to wrap it up for now, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And another Camry's coming in here. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one.